In 1991, after 26 years of producing electricity, Trawsfynydd nuclear power station ceased production. The fuel was removed and decommissioning progressed, with plant and buildings being dismantled to enable the site to be prepared for long-term care and maintenance. This view shows the two reactor buildings and the turbine hall. Around these is situated the various support workshops and administration buildings. On the west side of the station are the cooling ponds complex. This includes the waste storage and treatment plants. The operations within the building are all interrelated, and consequently this means they will have to be removed in sequence. The first major building that was removed was the turbine hall. The building was inside the reactor-controlled area. The next stage was to clear an area from the construction of the newly intermediate level waste store. This necessitated the removal of the chemical store and dispatch bay. The ground was cleared and excavation commenced for the foundation of the new building. The store has 4 separate sections. The centre section is where the waste arrives and where the inspection cell is located. The storage areas are on either side. It was constructed in the form of an inner reinforced box, which will provide radiological shielding from the stored waste. The outside of the building has an external cladding for long-lasting weather protection and appearance. The frame around the controlled area was rearranged to accommodate the new building. The intermediate level waste store was completed in February 2008, and active commissioning started in June, where the process of storing waste packages began. The waste is stored in 2 different types of container. The first of these are drums. These will be brought from their temporary storage area into the receiving bay. From there, they will be lifted into their long-term storage position. The second storage units are called overpacks. These are shielded concrete boxes into which are placed the intermediate level waste in stainless steel containers. These will be stored in the second area. As these drums and overpacks will be inspected from time to time, they have to be stacked in such a way that any of them can be accessed. We can see in this sequence how this will be achieved using remote control. The operator can manipulate the crane and pick up any of the overpacks while working from a safe area, known as the inspection cell. The concrete lid can be lifted from the overpack so that the stainless steel package can be removed and periodically checked. The whole operation of decommissioning is progressive, and further buildings will be demolished as they become redundant. Unlike the other structures, the reactor buildings will not be completely dismantled at present. We can see from this diagram a section through the building. It shows the reactor inside its concrete shield and part of the boilers. To prevent water seepage into the building during demolition, before the roof is removed, the building will be capped off just above the charge face level, approximately halfway down the building, reducing the height of the building by 40%. The first stage will be to remove the original roof and concrete panels on the side of the building. The lower panels will be replaced with a metal liner infill. Working in stages, the rest of the structure will be taken down to its final height. Further trees will be planted and the whole site landscaped to harmonise with the local environment. The site is now ready and secure for acceptance into long-term care and maintenance. It will remain a nuclear licensed site subject to government policy and legislation, health and safety executive and environmental agency regulation. The overall objective of reducing the hazard, simplifying and lowering the overall profile of the site will have been achieved.